COVID-19 vaccine safety scrutinized in large real-world study. Side effects are normal to occur after you get vaccinated against COVID-19. However, not every side effect is known yet. Thus, experts continue to study these vaccines to learn more. Recently, a large study compared different adverse events between vaccinated and unvaccinated individuals. So what did researchers discover in the comparison? But before we continue, please like this video if you find this informative and subscribe to our channel for more interesting and informative content. Don't forget to click the bell icon too to get the latest updates. Researchers examined the data of more than 2 million in Israel. They focused their attention on adverse events. They highlighted over 20 of these events among those who got the Pfizer vaccine and those who haven't. They also checked what else could COVID-19 do to the body, besides respiratory problems. Published in the New England Journal of Medicine, researchers made 2 separate analyses. One was for the outcome of vaccination. The data was carefully matched between 2 exact numbers of vaccinated and unvaccinated people. A total of 25 potential adverse events within 3 weeks following either vaccine dose were compared between these groups. The second was the outcome of infection. The same adverse events have been compared, but between unvaccinated people who were sick due to COVID and people who didn't contract the disease. Of 25 adverse events, 4 were found with a connection to the vaccine. Which adverse event was more common? According to Clalit Research Institute, swelling of the lymph nodes was common, around 78 excess cases per 100,000. Though this is a mild side effect and is also a natural response after receiving a jab. Was myocarditis on the list? Yes, but very rare. It was around 2.7 excess cases per 100,000 persons. If you're concerned about this, the Ministry of Health of Singapore advised people not to exercise or do strenuous activities for 1 week after getting an mRNA vaccine dose. You can still do lightweight house chores as usual. Adverse events were found very low when compared to complications due to COVID among the unvaccinated. Cardiac arrhythmia was high on the list, about 166 cases per 100,000 patients. Here's the takeaway: vaccines are safe and effective. The chances of dealing with complications and a mountain of death are too high than just receiving 2 doses. Have you experienced any side effects when you got the jabs? Did you report them to your vaccinator? Share your thoughts in the comment section. Till our next video, thanks for watching.